Hello my lovelies and welcome back to AJ Ivy Games. I'm your host Ivy and today we are opening up one of the first partner packs. So this is Gen 3. I've been looking forward to getting these to finish my collection. As you can see, it comes with the 3 big cards. So in this pack we got a Sun and Moon and a Chilling Rain. So with the start, let's go with the Chilling Rain first. See what we get. I haven't pulled anything really great lately, but hopefully my luck will change. Maybe I've used up all my luck. That could be it. Haunter, Flanny, Krabbobble, whatever it's called. Diglett. Oh, I don't have this one. Inky. So cute. Rudcraft. Another Ghastly. Reverse Hollow. Fat Squirrel. And oh, awesome. Full Art Brawly. Okay, I am happy with that. That makes up for the last couple of openings where I didn't really get much. That definitely makes up for it. Okay, next we have a Sun and Moon pack. So I am really looking forward to the new Astral one to see what comes out of those packets. Okay, Dark Energy. Rotom Dex. Don't have Rotom Dex. Charger Bug. Funny enough, I don't have a Charger Bug. Rainbow Energy, Drowsy, Rowlet, I love Rowlet, Grimer, Alolan Grimer, Spearow, Grubbin, oh nice, and an Alolan Reverse Hollow Muck, that's pretty, and a Rare Hollow. So you get the shine behind it. Rare Hollow Poliwrath. Okay, I'm happy with that. That's a pretty good pull for two boosters and our Pokemon starter. Very happy with our Brawly trainer. So that's a good one. That's a good pull. So I'm very happy with this. So these big cards will be added to our collection here. They are in order, thankfully. I've just put them all into order. I've got my Glaceon, my Leafeon, my Pikachu, and the Pikachu and Zekrom, which is way too big, right at the back there. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Go and check out Dark Raven for Yu-Gi-Oh! And Pokemon openings and pricing, because she does pricing. Other than that, thank you for watching and have a lovely day. See you next time.